The sky is one of the most beautiful phenomena that can be enjoyed and relaxed by looking at it. Seeing the sunrise and sunset, seeing a beautiful rainbow, bright stars, shining moon, all unique beautiful of the sky, but sometimes natural phenomena occur that are twice as beautiful as make the sky even more beautiful and attractive is northern lights. That they are one of the natural phenomena that make the sky spectacular. Stay with us. Hello guys, welcome to Black Ocean family. How are you? As you know, we're gonna talk about northern lights today. The question is, what is the northern lights? Aurora Borealis is a natural light that shines in the sky and can only be seen at night and in the lower polar region. The Aurora Borealis is often known as the northern lights. This phenomenon is caused by the impact of the sun's charged particles on the atoms and molecules that existed on the surface of the earth. This collision causes the particles to be excited, and this causes them to light up. The Aurora Borealis is a sporadic and generally faint phenomenon commonly seen in the night sky from location at high latitudes. This phenomenon is also commonly known as the northern lights. This phenomenon may initially appear as a faint milky glow. Also, the Aurora Borealis in the night is too dim for the human eye to distinguish any color, but it is bright enough to show clouds near the horizon. The cause of the Aurora Borealis. At a distance of 93 million miles from Earth, the Sun has effect far beyond its visible surface. Large solar storms throw charged solar particles into space. If the Earth is the path of the flow of these charged particles, our planet's magnetic field and atmosphere will react. When the charged particles of the Sun hit the atoms and molecules in the Earth's atmosphere, these particles are excited and cause them to light up. The stimulation of the atom means, since the atom consists of a necklace surrounded by an orbit of electrons, when charged particles from the Sun hit the Earth's atmosphere, the electrons are transformed to orbits higher and further away from the nucleus. When the electron returns to a stable orbit near the nucleus, it releases a particle of light or photon. The phenomenon of Aurora Borealis is similar to the operation of neon lights, where electricity is used as a stimulus for neon gas atoms inside glass tubes. Why do we see different colors in the Aurora Borealis? The display colors do not depend on the geographical location. It is completely random and depends on Earth activity in different parts of the world. The most common color of aurora are shades of green, depending on what elements interact with the Earth's magnetic field, at what altitude and at what speed different colors begin to appear. If the excited particles are oxygen, we usually see green or yellow light. If the oxygen particles are at very high altitudes, a red light is emitted above the Aurora Borealis. If the particles are nitrogen, we will most likely see in a bluish light. Purple, white, and blue colors are often seen in coronas, lights coming towards you, but overall green is the most common. When does the northern lights occur? The best time is between September and April. During spring, though, summer daylight is almost constant, so even if the aurora is out, you won't see it. Summer is coming to an end and there is not much darkness yet. Since there is a lot of solar activity during this period, it is one of the best times to see the northern lights. In November and February, during this period, the nights are dark and light. Sunlight is weak from 9 AM to 2 PM. At this time of the year, there is more chance of cloudy weather and snowfall, but it can hamper your efforts to view the northern lights. March and April is spring. It brings more daylight and also more solar activity. Mid-March is the peak time of year to visit Norway to see these northern lights. Total darknesses and zero light pollution are essential to seeing the northern lights in their full glory, so head to the smaller towns for a good chance. And now we have mentioned some countries that you can go there and watching the northern lights in a best view. Thank you guys for your watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video. It's our pleasure to subscribe our channel and watch our video. Here you are guys, we recommended movie and book for today. We'll see you tomorrow. Love you and goodbye.